Hey everyone, today we're diving into a brand new feature in iOS 18, app locking with Face ID. This is a fantastic way to add an extra layer of security to your iPhone and keep your private information safe. So, let's get started. Alright, in this example, I'll use Instagram. Here, as you can see, I can open and use Instagram normally without any additional protection. Now let's lock it with the Face ID. Here's the cool part. With iOS 18, when you long press on an app icon, you'll see a new menu pop up. Look for the option that says Require Face ID. Great! Now tap on Require Face ID and your iPhone will prompt you to confirm with a quick Face ID scan. Tap on Require Face ID. Once that's done, the app is locked. Now, let's try to open the app. See? It won't open because Face ID is required. Your iPhone will scan for your face, and if it recognizes you, you'll be right in. But if someone else tries to access it, they won't be able to without your face. By the way, you might also see an option to hide app here. This is another great feature for keeping things private, but we'll explore that in a separate video. There you have it. Locking apps with Face ID in iOS 18 is a simple but powerful way to add security to your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more iOS 18 tips and tricks. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching.